the next product is something that costed me a bomb. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lot of new products that I recently got, and I got these products from Instagram resellers and also from Nykaa. And the products are totally new, like all the products are something that I have not tried before, so I really wanted to share with you guys this. So I really hope you would enjoy watching this haul because I personally love watching makeup hauls. So without further ado, let's get started. So before starting today's video, there's a small request. I'm a professional makeup artist, so I need to have a lot of stuff in my vanity because makeup gets expired and we need to try a lot of new stuff also for our clients to give them best services possible. So I keep on purchasing and upgrading my vanity, you can say. So yes, there is a lot of makeup in this video, and if you're someone who doesn't like makeup, kindly don't watch the video. Please don't leave bad comments. This is my job and I have to buy this. So the first two products are from my Instagram store called Beauty Swipe. So I got two products from them. This is the Milani lipstick in the shade Striking. I will put the prices on the screen because I don't remember all the prices right now. So this is a beautiful red color. I was looking for a nice red shade for my brides, so I got this one. So this is how the applicator looks like and this is how the shade is. I really love the shade, but to my disappointment, this shade is not very long lasting. It also transfers. So yes, that is something I didn't really enjoy. I was expecting a transfer proof lipstick because I think it costed me around 700 or 800. So yeah, the shade is although very nice. You can make this matte by applying powder. So the shade is absolutely stunning. The next product that I got is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. So this is amazing. This is a mini size. So this is how the precision looks like, the tips look like, and I've already used it many times. I really love this. So this is how it looks like, quite nice, and it is great if you are someone who loves to do a winged eyeliner. I think this is a great liner to invest in. Okay, so the next product is something that costed me a bomb, but I really wanted to try this from the longest time, and finally I did. I'm so glad I could buy this powder. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. If you're into makeup industry or if you're into makeup, you would know the hype of this product, and this costed me 3200, which is a lot for a powder. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. I have not used it yet, so I'm definitely going to use this powder and see if it is really worth the hype. I would be sharing a video on this very soon. So yeah, this I got from Brand Mall Delhi, which is again an Instagram page, and they sell authentic international products. Next up, I got these two set of different lashes style from Dime Store, which is an Instagram store. You can follow them and they have such amazing quality of lashes. These are reusable and they are really amazing in quality and look very nice. So I would highly recommend you to buy these lashes. These are absolutely stunning. Next, I got again three products from a different Instagram reseller which has a outlet in Faridabad also, that is Lazy Cosmo Hub. So this is the thing that I got. This is the Forever 52 foundation in the shade Sand. I personally wanted to check the shade before buying, although the shades were mostly out of stock online as well as on the store. So I went ahead with this foundation because I wanted something for medium skin type. This is the shade Sand, which is great for medium skin types. Although this doesn't suit my skin tone, this is darker for me. So this is in the shade PLF 004 and I got this on 10% off. This retails for 1250 rupees originally, and I've already done a full review on this foundation, so you can check that out if you should invest in this or not. This is a photo matte liquid foundation which is great for oily skin, by the way. Okay, so the next product that I got from them is a concealer. This is the Forever 52 concealer in the shade Vanilla, I guess, COV001. So this is the Forever 52 concealer. This shade was not available online, so I had to purchase it offline. So this is how the shade looks like. 10% off on this one also. And next I got this lipstick from Recode, which I'm wearing today. This is in the shade Wednesday. This is the Selfie Matte Lip Color Cream, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. And this is valid for 2 years. This is valid till January 22. Okay, so like 1 year to go. So this is a very pretty shade. I really love the shade. The stay is very nice. It doesn't feel heavy on the lips, and this costed me $5.95. They also have other range which cost $6.25. The applicator is really nice. This is a pink shade. I was looking for a exact this kind of a shade, so I got this in Recode, and the applicator is really nice. Can you see the applicator? The applicator is literally same like it comes in Lakme lip and tint, I think. So this is how the swatch looks like. The color is very nice. The payoff is really nice. It gives you a opaque finish in one go. So if you are someone who's looking for a pink lipstick, I would highly recommend this. Although I am not going to try more shades from this range, because the shades that they have, I already have those shades in different brands. So I was looking for a pink shade, and this goes down matte after a few seconds. You have to wait. It looks liquidy right now, but it will be totally matte in few seconds or few minutes. The formula is amazing. I would highly recommend this lipstick, this brand Recode USA, if you're looking to buy a new lipstick. So next products are something that I bought from Nykaa. So I bought this Forever 52 4 color corrector in the shade AC002. This is the shade I really wanted to buy. I really wanted to try, and this is how it looks like. I didn't wanted the one which has orange color because I don't like to use orange. So yeah, this is how the wheel looks like. Although it came little dirty on the top, because it is a creamy product, I think it happened because in the packaging or in the transit only. So I have already used it, and it is a beautiful concealer. Amazing. Like, the coverage is amazing, the finish is amazing. You just need a little bit of the product and it really gives great results. So it comes in total like 3 shades, 3 variants, so you can choose accordingly as per your need. Okay, so the next thing that I got is the Inglot Duraline. This is how it looks like. So I got it because my Inglot gel liner dried out, so I really had to buy this, which is again quite costly. This is for $1,200 after discount. Originally it retails for $1,500. Next up, I got a red lipstick from Forever 52 in the shade SLC015. Name is Torture. Again, a very beautiful shade for fair skin types, medium to fair skin types. So this is how the swatch looks like, and this is how the wand is. The wand is fine, not that bad, not that great. It's workable. So the shade is really nice. If you are someone into fair skin tone and if you are looking for a maroon shade or a red shade, you can definitely go for this. Then I got this Forever 52 Studio Blush in the shade 002. I wanted a peach kind of a shade, although this is not peach. This is how the packaging looks like. This is a pinkish in shade. I have applied it today. You need to be very careful with this blush because the pigmentation is too much. If you apply too much, it will be very weird. So this is a muted pink kind of a shade. I was looking for a orange or a peachy kind of a shade, which I personally love to apply in blushes. Nevertheless, this is quite expensive. I think this is 500 rupees for just single shade. The product is nice, but I think going for the Forever 52 blush palette is a better option than buying this single pan. Then I got 2 concealers from Forever 52, which I really wanted to try out. I wanted 3 shades in my vanity, so I got these 2 from Nykaa, which were available there. And next up, I got my favorite lash glue. This is the Pack Lash Fixer. I really love this. I would highly recommend this for applying false eyelashes. I have already tried the Ardell Lash Glue also, but I don't know why, but I love this. This is my, I think, 4th purchase. I have already finished 3 tubes of this Pack Lash Fixer, and they have increased the prices also, but this product is amazing. Next, I got this L'Oreal Infallible True Match Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This shade matches me perfectly, and I would be sharing the review of this product very soon. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'll give you a swatch also. I've already used it once. So this comes in the pump packaging, so that is a great part. This is how the shade looks like. It's a lighter shade than my skin, and it oxidizes a little, so it goes on very nicely. So this is how it looks like. This is how the texture is. Next, I got the L'Oreal Infallible Concealers in the shade 314 and 317, which were available on Nykaa. One of the shade was out of stock, otherwise I would have bought that one also. So I got these 2 concealers from LA Girl. This is Light Ivory and this is Warm Honey. Next, I got this Atul Chauhan Beauty Blenders. This is the set of 3 beauty blenders, which I got for 1200 rupees. They were having this deal. So the beauty blender looks like this, and it is really nice. I would highly recommend this if you are looking for a good beauty blender. This is absolutely amazing. So this was all I wanted to share in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and do let me know which is your favorite product, and if you have used Laura Mercier powder already, kindly let me know your thoughts, your views about the product, because I'm really excited to use it and see the results. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching this face for the very first time, please subscribe and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.